Folks, what a difference a day makes. Yesterday at this time we were in the upper 80s. Today low 70s. Not cold, but certainly cooler, less humid. A little bit of sunshine poking through out there, and there will be plenty of that the next couple of days. These are the currents: 70 Raymondville, Harlingen, Brownsville, and Port Isabel. Then a little bit warmer when you get back into the upper valley where there's been more sunshine today. Clouds kind of lingered along the coast, keeping temperatures down just a little bit. But overnight tonight, most of us will clear out, and with that we cool off, and most areas drop into the 50s tonight. The exception the beach at 64, but mainly clear skies, cool temperatures. Should be a nice night out there. And then tomorrow we bounce back into the 70s, a little warmer in McAllen and Rio at 80 there, 75 at the island. The north wind continues, might pick up a little bit during the afternoon, but for the most part relatively light. Look at the next 7 days temperature wise, and we start tomorrow in the upper 70s. We work our way up to about normal. Normal's 84. We'll get just above that on Monday, and then we come back down a little bit and stay in the low to mid 80s for the end of next week. We never get really hot, we never get really cold. Kind of a flat line on the temperatures, not a big change anytime soon. Look at the rest of South Texas: 67 San Antonio, Victoria, 66 in Houston. So once you get south of Corpus and Laredo, it's in the 70s. You get farther north, it's cooler. 57 in Lubbock, 59 in San Angelo. Not much going on in the state today. What a contrast to yesterday when we had all those big thunderstorms in East Texas, all the way down to Houston, almost as far south as Corpus. But the front came through the valley with little to no fanfare. A couple of very spotty showers, but not much. And now high pressure is building in, and it will continue to do that tonight into tomorrow. By tomorrow afternoon, it's sitting around Corpus Christi or so, and it's pushing the clouds down to the south of us. We should have a very nice day tomorrow. Saturday looks good as well. By then, the wind will start to come back out of the southeast, so that'll warm things up a little bit. Southeast wind will kick in earnest on Sunday, adding moisture, and then you bring a front down from the north. This front will die as it gets to the valley, but it's going to trigger thunderstorms to the north again. Not as bad as it was yesterday, but there will be scattered thunderstorms. For us, I think 20% chance for an afternoon thunderstorm on Sunday. Then the front washes out. We don't get any cooling at all. Another front on the map should get here about Tuesday. That one doesn't promise much cooling either, so just kind of limping through, these fronts are. Close up with the valley, we're cool tonight. During the daytime tomorrow, we're mostly sunny and just really, really nice with low humidity. Again, Saturday, humidity goes up a little, but still plenty of sunshine, patchy clouds. And then Sunday, a few more clouds, and by the afternoon, could be a shower or thunderstorm. You start to see a little stuff show up along the coast by the afternoon, so we'll keep an eye on that as we get into the second half of the weekend. So spotty storms on Sunday, but before that we're dry. After that we're dry, and then the chance of rain ramps up a little bit at the end of next week. Not with the front on Tuesday, but an upper disturbance Wednesday into Thursday could help bring the rain chance back in once again. The tropics, nothing. Oscar's gone way up underneath there, so all that's left is absolutely nothing on this first day of November. We still have this month to go on hurricane season. It doesn't end until the last day of November, but this is when things start to quiet down. Don't expect a lot, but there could still be some activity out there, so we'll keep tracking. North winds 15 to 20 in the bay and on the Gulf. There's a moderate chop, UV's high, mostly sunny skies at the coast, a moderate risk of rip currents. High tide just after midnight, the low tide tomorrow evening at 5:07. So for tonight, 54 for low, clear and cooler. North winds 5 to 10. Tomorrow back up to 78 degrees. Plenty of sunshine. Looks like a really nice day. Northeasterly winds about 6 to 12. So 78, 82. This is when you set your clock back this weekend. Spotty shower or thunderstorm possible Sunday, especially in the afternoon. Doesn't cool off much though. We stay in the 80s into early next week. Another front on Tuesday doesn't make much difference either. So the fronts are kind of weak right now. Not doing a lot except triggering an isolated shower or two. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.